Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini liva 90 espresso machine. Now we only did a tune-up on this machine, which means replacing the gasket as well as the shower screen, and you can definitely tell the shower screen needs to be replaced, and this one is completely clogged and you can barely see any light coming out of there. It's in really bad condition. Now we just put it a way better one. Really well, as well as give it a good descaling on the machine and a good back flush. Even though we don't have the portal filter, we were still able to find one that was feeding the machine and we were able to back flush it. Now you can see the cleaner is working really great, as well as the water. Really good water flow. Cage working, the machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for your time with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.